How to upload photos to Google Drive and share link. So when you're using Google Chrome as your browser, you will see this Google Apps next to your profile icon. But if you're not using Google Chrome as your browser, then you can search Drive in the search bar. So click this Google Apps next to your profile icon and then select Drive. Click this option which says New. So when you click this, these options will appear. So since we're uploading a photo, select this option File Upload. But if you're uploading multiple photos, I suggest you select New Folder first before you upload a file. So now click File Upload, and then this prompt will appear. So in this tab, you will see all of your documents, videos, and photos. So now select the photo that you want to upload. So if you're uploading multiple photos, you can drag your cursor to the files that you want to upload and then hit open. But if you're only going to upload one photo, then you can just double click. So you can see the uploaded file in the home section, which is this file. But if you don't see it, just click this option, Show More Files, which will show you all of your files. To share this file, what you can do is to click these three dots along the file and then click Share. Now select Copy Link. And then click this Manage Access. So by clicking Manage Access, this prompt will appear. So as you can see, under General Access, this file is restricted. So meaning only emails that has been granted access to this file can open it. So this can be adjusted by clicking this drop-down arrow button and selecting anyone with a link. So when you choose this option, it means that anyone with the link can have access to the file. So you can also select the roles of those individuals that has access to the file. So they can be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Copy the link again. Now once you're done, click Done. So to share this file, just give the link to individuals who want access. And so that is how you upload photos to Google Drive and share link. Thank you and have a great day.